Hello, good morning students. Today we are discussing the lecture number 8. Topic is the formula of unit cell. In the formula of unit cell, the whatever the number of atoms present at the corner of the cube, face center, edge center, diagonal number of atoms, body center. By using the number of atoms at the edge center, face center, body center, etc., we have to calculate the formula of the atoms. Right? We have to calculate formula of the atoms. Before calculating formula of the atoms, we have to know the what is the number of atoms on the face center, edge center, and the number of atoms. So let's see the what is the number of atoms in the primitive cubic crystal. These are type of primitive cubic crystal. The primitive cubic crystal means the atoms are present at only at the corner, called as primitive cubic crystals. Yes, friends. So corner atom 8, contribution 1 by 8. Yes, friends. Corner atoms are 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each atom has contributed 1 by 8 part. It means one atom is there. One atom, this is one atom. This one atom, how much part sharing to the next neighbor atoms? It's sharing 1 by 8 part. It is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, and this is 1 by 8. So this is the 1 by 8th portion. This is 1 by 8th portion. Right, students? 1 by 8th portion contribution. Next, second one, body centered atom. Body centered cubic crystal. Body centered cubic crystal means the number of atoms at the corner as well as one of the atom at the center part of the body. It cannot lying down or cannot be above top of the element. It is center in between the top and bottom of the element, in between them. So that is body center. So body center atom, how many atoms are there? Body center, the 8 atoms. Each 8 atoms are contributed 1 by 8 part, right? Plus central 1 atom. Central 1 atoms are contributed to the all the 8 atoms 1 by 8 part. So it is contributing, the portion is 1 by 8. Right? So total number of atom is 2. Sorry, total number of atom is 2 here. That's students. And face center cubic crystal. Face center cubic crystals are here. This is the corner of the atoms. The face. How many face? Left, right, top, bottom, front, back. 6 faces are there here. 6 faces. So each face's contribution is 1 by half part. So what are the star I mentioned here? The star. This star is the face center atom. So this star, which is this part, the central atoms are contributed only 50% part to this and this portion, and 50% remains the uncontributed parts. The central atoms are contributed only 50% of interactions. 50% of interactions are contributed to the 1, 2, 3, 4 atoms, and 50% of interactions are remain same. It is uncontributed part. Right, students? So contribution 1 by 2. So number of atoms 6 atom. The contribution is 1 by 2. That is 3. Right, students? So if you write the total number of atom 8, contribution 1 by 8 plus this one, and we got our total number of atom is 4. Face center. Edge center, students. Edge center means here. This is the edge center. This is the one edge length. This edge length, this is the A and this is B. In between the A, B, one more atom is present that I mentioned here as a X. This X is the atom. X is the atom. This is we call the edge center. This is the one edge. The central part we call the edge center. This is edge center. So count how many edge centers are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 atoms are present. So edge center is 12. Contribution is 1 by 4th part. The each atom, each edge central part contributed 1 by 2 part are contributed. Understood, students? Okay, let's see the students. The first example, an element A and B constitute BCC type crystalline structure. Element A occupied body center position. A is body center and B occupy corner of the cube. What is the formula of compound and what is the coordination number of A and B? Coordination number of A and B. Students. So A occupy body center, B occupy corner. So body center A, body center atom is A is the body center. A at the body center, one atom contribution is 1, total is 1. Questions. B atoms at the corner, 8 into 8, 8 into 1 by 8, 8 atoms contributed 1 by 8 part, that is 1. Formula of compound is A is 1 atom, B is 1 atom. So total is, formula of the compound is A1 B1 or AB, or you may write the A and AB like this. Right, students? Coordination number is 8. The coordination number is 8 because whatever the atom is present here, students, the 8 atoms are present here. They are connected with each other. Center atom. Center atoms are connected to the each and every atoms. It connected like this, friends. Right? So the coordination number is 8. Central 1 atoms surrounded by the next 8 atoms. Called as coordination number is 8. Right, friends? Okay, let's see the second example. Atoms C and D form FCC crystalline structure atom. Atom C and D FCC. FCC means the corner atoms and face center atoms. C is present at the corner of the cube. C is at the corner. D is at the face center of the cube. What is the formula of compound? Let's see. So this is the C atom present at the corner. C atoms are present at the corner. D at the face center. D at the face center. So each face I will write here D. So front side 1, back side 1. So total 6 D are there and 8 C. 8 C instruments. Corner atom C, 8 into 1 by 8. The total is 1. Face central atom D, 6 atom contributing 1 by 12, 2 part is 3. So formula of the compound is CD3. The total formula of the compound is CD3. This is the formula of compound. Right, friends? In a crystalline compound AB3. AB3 is the crystalline compound. Atom A occupy corner of the cube. If in AB3, out of this AB3, this A occupied the corner. Then B must be which lattice point occupied at the B. So what is the position of B? Face center, edge center, body center. So students, the 3 atoms, already we know that the contribution of 3 is the face center. 6 atoms contributing 1 by 12, 2 part, 1 by half, the 3. So that is the A atoms at the corner, 8 into 1, 1 by 1. So total 1 atom is 1. Right. So what is the lattice point of B? So lattice point of B we judge, then lattice point B is equal to 3 means this value only for the face center. If any element or any lattice points which having the number of atom is 3, any lattice point which having the number of atom is 3 means it occupied the face center. occupy at the face center. Then the 6 into 1 by 2, that is 3. So B is 3. B here also in question also this mentioned here 3. So it means the B occupied the face center atom. Right friends? Face center. So B is the face central atoms. B is the face central atoms. Right friends? So A at the. Okay, let's see friends the example number 4. In a cubic unit cell, A atom all the corner, B atom all the face center, C atom edge center, and D atom at the body center. Right? So once again friends, A atom at the corner of the cube, B atom at the face center. Each face you may write here, and front side one, back side one. Face center. C atoms edge center. C, each, this is we call as edge. So each edge I will write here C. So how many? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right. D atom at the body center, and one more is the body center is D. This dot portion is D. Right friends? Okay. So let's check what is the formula of compound here. Corner A, 8 into 1 by 8, 3, 1. Face center, the face center is the B. Face center B, 6 into 1 by 2 into 3 is 6 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. Edge center. How many edges are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Upside 4 and vertical 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertical 4, 8, and bottom portion 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. It means 4, 4, 4, 12. The 12 atoms. And the contribution part is fixed here. That is 1 by 4th part. So that is 3. That's friends. Edge center. Body center D. Center of bottom 1. Contribution also 1. So that is 1. So A is 1 atom. B is 3 atom. C is 3 atom. D is 1 atom. This is the formula of the compounds. Right friends, understood? So this is the fourth example. This is one of the important example, students. In this example we are mentioned all the things: face center, body center, body center, edge center, and corner of the atoms. All the things we are mentioned here. So this is the one of the best example. Okay friends, sometimes they will ask the such type of questions in the crystal in which some elements are missing. So what is the formula of compound? If crystals are broken, think that any cubic crystals are there, any cubic crystal which is going to be break. So if it break down means what is the formula of compound? So this is the example number 5. Right. In a cubic crystal, A atom students, this is atom. A atom at the corner, B atom at the face center, and C atom at the edge center, and D atom at the body center. Right. So similar to previous example, students, A atom at the corner, B atom face center, C atom edge center, and D atom body center. Similar to the previous example, but here the question is different here. If 25% of A is removed from crystal, so whatever the A is present here, total how many 8 atoms are present? Corner 8 atoms, and they are removed. Out of 8 atoms, we are removing the 25%. Right. Whatever the A is present here, out of A we are removing the 25%. We are removing here. That's right. 25% we are removing. And B, 50% of B removed from a crystal. What is D? Face center. If we are remove 50%. The how many be a phase center means how many atoms? The 6 atoms. Out of 6 atoms, if you remove 50%, means the 3 atoms we are removed. Then what is the formula of compound? And the removed from the crystal. And the 75% of C. 75% of C is removed from a crystal. Calculate formula of compound. So whatever the crystal is there, in this crystal, if you are removing the particle from the corner, 25%, and remove the 50% from the face center and the 75% from the edge center. So what is the formula of compound? So let's see, students. Answer: A atom at the corner, 8 atoms. 8 atoms. Total number of atoms is 8. So 8 atoms we are considered as a 100%. 8 atoms we are considered as a 100%. Means 25% means how many atoms? So 25 into 8 whole divided by 100. So 25 atom means 2 atoms. It means out of 8, 2 atoms are removed. 25% we are removed here. It means the out of 8, 25% we are removed. 25% means 2 atoms we are removed out of 8 atoms. So 8 minus 2, that is 8 minus 2 into 1 by 8. Contribution is constant. So we got the answer 6 into 1 by 8. A is equal to 3 by 4. Right, students? A is equal to 3 by 4. Right, students? Next, B atom. B atom at the face center. The face center, how many atoms are present here? 6 atoms. So 100% means 6 atoms. 50% means how many atoms? So again we are calculating here, students. Right? The 100% means 6 atoms. 50% we are removed means how many atoms means? This we calculate here. 50 into 6 divided by 100, though 3 atoms. So 50% means 3 atoms. Right, students? So 6 minus 3 into 1 by 2. Out of 100%, the 50% is removed. 50 means 3 atoms. 3 atoms are removed from the crystal. Then how many atoms are left? 3. 3 into 1 by 2. Right, students? 3 atoms at the face center. B is equal to 3 into 1 by 2. 3 into 1 by 2 atoms. Right, students? Understood? So this is the formula. Right? Third, C atom at the edge center. So edge center, how many atoms are present? 12 atoms. Already we have discussed. 100% means 12 atoms. 75% removed means how many atoms? So 75 into 12 whole divided by 100. 75 into 12 100. So 9 atoms. Out of 12, 75% removed means 9 atoms are removed here. So 12 minus 9, 3 atoms are present in the crystal. Then contribution is constant 1 by 4th here. So C is 3 by 4. And body center is constant because there is no removing any atoms. So body center is constant. D is equal to 1. So A 3 by 4. Here, students, I got a here. A 3 by 4. B 3 by 2. C 3 by 4. D 1. So this the simplest ratio. If you want to calculate the simplest whole ratio by multiplying with this value, connect with this value, multiply with 4 for simplest whole number ratio. If you are multiplying with 4, then 3 by 4 into 4, 3 by 2 into 4, 3 by 4 into 4, 1 into 4. So 4 get cancelled, and this is the 12 by 2, and this is the again the 4 get cancelled, 3 and 4. So A is 3 atom, B is 6 atom, and C is 3 atoms, 4 atoms. So this is the formula of the compound. This is one of the best and important examples, students. Important examples, right? So you read this example carefully, students, and you will get the idea. If you hand out and ask me, students, okay, let's move on the next example. If P atom at the corner and the Q atom at the face center and R atom at the edge center, what is the formula of compound? if we remove atom along one edge. It's not. We remove atom along one edge. One edge contain two corner atoms. So question, first you understand the question. P atoms at the corner, Q atoms at the face center, and R atom at the edge center. What is the formula of compound if we remove the along one edge? If we are removing this one edge, this one, if we break these crystals, then unfortunately it will break. It means this portion is dissociate, right? This portion dissociate. If this portion dissociate means what is the formula of compound? One edge contain two corner atoms and two edge central atoms. One edge central atom, two corner atoms. This is the two corner atoms, PP. One edge central, one R. Right, friends? So corner atoms, two corner atoms from which the two corner atoms are removed out of 8. So 8 minus 2 into 1 by 2. 6 into 1 by 2 contribution, the 6 by 8. Formula is A is equal to 3 by 4. Yes, friends. And Q is the phase center. So there is no change in phase center, because if we are removing only, we are dissociating only this portion. If we are dissociating only this portion means there is no affected this part, the Q part. This part cannot be affected. So this remains same. All the phase center particle remains same. So there is no change in them. So Q is no change. Q into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. As usual, there is no change in them. Edge center. So in this crystal, if this portion dissociate means this one edge is removed. How many edge centers are there? 12. Out of 12, one is removed. So that's why we written edge central. Out of 12, one is removed. So 12 minus 1 into 1 by 4, R is equal to 11 by 4. That's right. So formula, corner atoms P into 3 by 4. Phase central, Q is equal to 3, constant, there is no change. R from which out of 12 edge center, 1 is removed, 11 by 4. 11 by 4. So this whole value multiply with 4. 4 get cancelled, 12, 4 get cancelled. So P3, Q12 and R11. Right, students? So this is our exam answers. So one more example, students. What is the formula of compound cubic crystal in which one face is removed? If one face is removed, EFGH, corner atom, face central atom, edge center and body center. So so it means, students, the whatever the crystal is there here, so all the atoms are there. We are removed after the, unfortunately, the dissociating this portion. This portion is we are removed. One face center. What is the formula of compound crystal? If one face center is removed, this is the one face center. This face center contain corner atom 4, edge center 4, body center, face center 1. Right. So E is the corner atom, F is the face center, G is the edge center, H is the body center. Like this, students. So in which the one portion dissociating, this one portions are dissociating. Right. Face center, edge center is G. How many G are there? 4. And how many corner atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 E. And H is the body center. H is here. This is the dot portion is H. So there is no body centers remains same. There is nothing would be happen to body center particle. Let's see what is the formula. One phase contain the E E, E, E. 4E, and this is G. This is star is the G, students, and this is the F, right? So what is the formula? Changes. 1 crystals are dissociate means corner atoms out of 8, 4s are dissociate. So corner atom 8 into 1 by 8, the formula, out of 8, 4 particles are removed. So 8 minus 4 into 1 by 8 contribution. So 4 by 8. The corner atom is 2. Right. Phase center. How many phases? 1 phase in which 1 atoms are present here. So phase center, out of 6 phases, 1 phase is removed. So 6 into 1 by 2. So 1 phase is removed. 6 minus 1 into 1 by 2. That is F is equal to 5 by 2. Yes, friends. Edge center. How many edges are there here? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. So edge center 12. 1 by 4. 4 out of 12. 4 is removed. 1 by 4. 8 by 4. G is equal to 2. Body center 1 into 1. 1 atom. Contribution 1. 1. So E is 2. F is 5 by 2. G is 2 and H is 1. Sorry, H, students. This is H. H is 1. Right. So this value are multiplying with 2, the simplest whole ratio. 2 into 2, 5 by into 2, 2 into 2, H 1 into 2. So 4 F5, so E4 FG H4 and G4 and H2. This is the formula of the compound. Right, students, I hope you understand. So students, today we will discuss all the type of examples here. If you find any kind of doubt, then ask me, students. Okay, thank you so much.